So this is my associate software engineer assessment submission. I've completed task 1 comment APIs with automated test and task 2 task management UI. So let me walk through my implementation and the technical decisions I made. So the task 1 is the backend comment API. So in this, my modular structure walkthrough is this. I'll go to backend folder and now we'll go to modules, then we'll go to comments. So this is my backend structure, and here is the this is my public API where I am calling all the API methods like create comment, get comments for task, specific task, update comment, and delete comment. And this is my DTO for the validations, and this is my custom exceptions, and the store one is, and here in this is my MongoDB model in which the task ID is stored in the form of string, and also is the MongoDB model, and this is the database operations I am performing. So like create index, add validation, and other things. So and here this one is my read operations which I'm calling for get methods, and this one is for write operations which I'm calling for creating the comments and updating the comments or deleting the comments. And for the API work, my this one is for creating a API server, and this is a router for creating the routes for like accounts, account ID, task ID, and comments. And this is my request which I'm sending like get request, patch request, and put request. So I followed the exact same pattern as the existing task model for consistency and maintainability. So here is my comment module. So this is my comment model. This is the MongoDB model with fields for task ID, account ID, content, parent, comment ID, active, and timestamps. And this one is my comment view. This one is my request which I am sending, like the post request or put request or patch request. So my task was to like create a test accordingly. So I wrote 25 plus automated tests covering successful operations like CRUD operations, validation errors, authorization, edge cases, the cross account access prevention. So my test model is this. So yeah, this is my test model for comment. So this is my test model. Yeah, this is my test model. So here I'm testing with 25 test cases, which will judge all my APIs and if the API is working or not. So here are different API calls like the get request for creating a get specific comment, testing like updating comment with missing content, testing updating comment empty content. So here are 25 cases I tried to cover. So I will show you the test cases passing or not. So here the it will check for the all test cases. As you can see, all the test cases are passed, and is a warning. We can ignore that this way. So this is my like task one. Now let's shift to the task two, which is my task management UI, which had to be done in the front end. So I will quickly start the front end, backend server and front end server. On top of it, I'll show you my the implementation for that for the same. So this is my front end, and here I am defining the pages for task. So here's the form, the task form. So I have implemented all the this in the task art page. I have implemented the main container with state management. It handles all the CRUD operations and communicates with the backend. So here the features include the state management, like the use state. Here are the use state, the state managements, and the loading states, the error handling, and the pagination support also in this. So here are different requests like handle create task, handle update task, handle delete task, and this is my task list where I will where this shows the display task in the responsive grid with edit and delete actions. This is mainly the HTML form for the task where the task would appear, and this handles the loading states, empty state handling, responsive design, and the service for this is Sun. This handles the API integration layer with methods for getting paginated task, getting task by ID, creating the new task, updating existing task, and deleting the task, all with proper handling and authentication headers. Yeah. And now I'll go through the front end for that. So first I will create an account. So I have quickly filled the details here. As you can see, the I'm logging in my account. So it's successfully logged in, and I'm logged in as Rhythm Go as a user. So here's the task UI page. So there is no task, so here is showing no task found. And when we'll create the new task, it will ask for title and description. So we can name it as dem demo title, and here I can display a lorem 25 but not work. So I'll create a task here. So it would successfully create a task, and the same would be reflected in the MongoDB. And here I can edit the task on the basis of something I can write here, and I can edit the task. It will got saved here. I can delete the task also, and this all, and it's in the paginated way. So this is my second implementation, which is a task 2. And for this I have run the test also to catch all the test cases for the APIs. So I'll show you in just a minute. So here are the test cases for the task UI feature, and here, as you can see, the 34 I have passed 34 cases, and all the test cases are passed. So I'll show you my task cases also. So yeah, this one. So this is the test create task. This is test task missing. Test create task missing description. So these all are covered in my test cases. So yeah, this is my implementation for the assessment, and these are the PRs. These PRs are failing due to some bug in the what to say. Like not about the build error. This is a CI/CD pipeline is falling due to Docker tag formatation. The external workflow, like Jalen Technologies slash GitHub CLI. The error invalid tag like double slash FRM boilerplate hash is caused by a bug in the external dependency, not in my code. So this is common assessment. All code works correctly locally and all tests pass. Yeah. And for the decisions key technical decisions I made in the first, the modular architecture, I followed the existing task modular pattern exactly for consistency and maintainability. Soft delete comments are marked as inactive rather than deleted for data integrity and potential audit trails. Third is authorization. Users can only edit or delete their own comments implemented at the service layer. Fourth is the validation. 1 to 5,000 character limit with white space streaming for clean data storage. Fifth is front end state. Use React hooks with local state rather than Redux. error handling, comprehensive error handling with user-friendly messages via toast notifications for better UX, testing, focused on backend API tests as they are the source of truth with 25 plus tests, ensuring reliability and preventing regressions. So here's my task 2 PR, and this is a summary for my task 2. This is a form of a readme markdown file, and for this I have made a builder node 2 as it is a bug issue, not in the code issue. And this is the second PR. This is a comment APIs with automated test PR. And here also I have made a note like this is an environment setup issue, not in my code as I showed you earlier only. So yeah, thank you.